Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Sanam Tutor. Students, today onwards we start a series Mathematics most important questions for your periodic test 2 class 9 DAP Public School. First of all of you happy Diwali. So let us start the session. I will upload 2 to 3 video per week. Each video up to 10 minutes. So practice these questions. Also I will give you homework, only the change the data. Okay, so first question, the surface area of the sphere of radius 5 centimeter is 5 times the area of the curved surface of a cone of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, find the height and the volume. Before start, first you remember all the formula. Okay, then you solve. So here the question is, first you read the data properly. The surface area of a sphere. Okay, we know that the sphere volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and the cone volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and sphere curved surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square or total surface area, and curved surface area of the cone equal to pi rl. Okay, then you start. Curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area of sphere, okay, is equal to 5 times, so 5 into area of the curved surface of the cone. Okay, curved surface area of cone. Okay, now also given that radius of the sphere, r sphere equal to 5 centimeter and cone, that is rc, equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now we know that curved surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square. Then you can write 4 pi r square equal to 5 into pi rl. Yes or no? Now here pi and pi will cancel. Now put the value, that is 4 into r equal to sphere r, that is 5 centimeter. So 5 into 5 equal to 5 into r equal to 4 into L. Now find the L. So L equal to, similarly you can cancel 4 4 and 5 5. So L equal to 5. So you can write L equal to 5. Okay, 5 centimeter. Now the question is find the height. So how to find the height? Height of the cone. Okay, so height of the cone formula is L square minus r square square root. Okay, and also remember L square formula is h square plus r square. Similarly h square equal to L square minus r square. Okay, so now put the value, that is L equal to how much? Now that is 5 minus r equal to 4, r equal to 4 square root. So 5 square 25 minus 16 square root equal to 9 square root 3 centimeter. Okay, now find the volume. So what is the formula of the volume? Now volume formula equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So put the value, that is 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into r. So cone r equal to 4 centimeter, that is 4 into 4 into h. So h equal to 3. So now 3 3 cancel. So now multiply. So 4 4 ja 16 or 22 4 ja 88, again 4 ja. So 4 8 ja 32, carry 3, 4 8 ja 32, 3 35. So 352 divided by 7 centimeter cube, also we convert into decimal. So 7 5 ja 35, 0, then 20, 7 2 ja 14, 6 67 area mean the answer is 50.28 centimeter cube. Okay, now next question. The slant height, that is L. So given that, first you write the given. So given that L equal to how much? Now that is 25 meter. Now base diameter, so we can write diameter equal to 14 meter. Tell me what is the radius? Now radius equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter, sorry 7 meter. Now find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area. Okay, so curved surface area, it is a cone, yes or no? So curved surface area, first find out curved surface area of cone equal to, formula is pi r l. So put the value, that is pi value 22 by 7 into r equal to 7 into l, so l equal to 25. So multiply, so 7 cancel, now multiply 22 into 25, that is 50 into 50, 0 5 5, so 550 meter square. Okay, now find the whitewashing. So write down cost of whitewashing of 10 meter square equal to how much? Now rupees 21, yes or no? Now we find cost of whitewashing of 1 meter square, how much? Now 21 divided by 10 rupees. Now we find the 550 meter square. Okay, now cost of, or total cost of the whitewashing of 550 meter square equal to 21 by 10 into 550. So 0 cancel, now again multiply 55 and 21, 5 2 jar 10, 0 5 2 jar 10, 5 1 1, so answer is 1155 rupees. Okay, now so next question, a hemispherical tank. Okay, so first you remember what is the formula. Volume and the curved surface area of the hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. Okay, and the inner radius is given. So write down, given that inner radius equal to 1 meter. Now thickness equal to how much? Now 1 centimeter. So here is unit are different, so converted into same unit, that is here is 0.01 meter. Now tell me what is the outer radius. So find out outer radius equal to how much? Now inner radius plus thickness, that is 1 meter plus 0.01, that is 1.01 meter. Now find the volume. So okay, so find the volume of iron used. Formula is 2 by 3 pi in outer, that is RO, outer square, sorry outer cube minus inner cube, yes or no, because it is a tank. So write down, put the value, that is 2 by 3 into pi equal to 3.141 into outer radius equal to 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. Okay, so now find 1.01 cube, how much? Now 1.01 cube, simply multiply 101 okay, how much? 10201, again multiply 101, that is 1030301, okay, minus 1, that is point, here is point, how many? 3 2 is 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when you subtract 1, the answer will be 2 by 3 into 3.141 into answer is 0.030301, okay, because when you subtract 1, then 1 will cancel, that is 0.030301, okay. Now multiply, then divided, okay. So first we multiply 2 into this, 2 into 3.141 into 0.030301 divided with 3. The answer is 0.063 meter cube. Okay, this is the correct answer. Understand? If you understand, then solve these questions. First question, a hemispherical tank is made up of iron sheet 1.5 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1.5 meter, find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. Okay, questions are same but data different. So solve these two questions and send it either WhatsApp or Telegram group. Okay, if you want to download the PDF, also you can join. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. Okay, thank you.